Today, create a 3D motion effect in the style of Xiaohongshu. Let's start the tutorial. Create a new main composition of 1920 by 1080. Then create a new composition of 1080 by 1920. To store photos. Similarly, create a new composition with the same dimensions as the main composition. To place the video, drag the screenshot into the photo composition. Also drag the video into the corresponding composition. Stagger the video by a little time. Press Ctrl+Alt+F to fit to comp size. Drag the photo layer into the main comp. Press S to scale it. Create a new off-white background layer. Click on an empty area. Select the rectangle tool. Draw a box for the video display area. Double-click the anchor point to center. Search size. Cancel size constraint. Keyframe the size. Set 1920 by 1080 at the start. Check the effect. Select all keyframes. This time I use the Flow plugin. After applying, make the curve display as shown. Drag the video layer under the shape layer. Turn on Alpha Matte. This way the video is displayed in the shape layer. Create a new null object. Turn on 3D for all layers except the background. Parent link to the null object. Press P and Shift R on the null object to set position and rotation keyframes. There are no fixed values here. Just follow your own needs. Select all keyframes. Continue using the Flow plugin to adjust the speed curve. Enter the photo composition. Click on the blank area and select the rectangle tool. We need to first remove the numbers in the photo. Enter the required numbers. Adjust the position. Try to make it the same as the original numbers. Next step, copy and move. Add a slider effect to the text. Open the text. Alt-click on the source text, parent link to the slider. Set keyframes for the slider. We make the numbers produce a constantly changing effect. Now no integer is displayed. We need to modify the expression. Now it is displayed as an integer. Copy the slider effect to other numbers. Double-click E to display the expression. Right-click to copy only the expression. Paste it to other numbers. In the main composition, we choose the time period for the numbers to appear. In photo compositing, shift the timeline sequentially. Adjust to appear at the appropriate time. Modify the numbers. Don't make them look consistent. You can also add text. Add a simple animation to the text. Add a vignette effect to the background. Add a drop shadow effect to the photo layer. Turn on motion blur. Final effect completed.